Hi ASK learners, in this video we will learn how to upload a theme from PC to WordPress. If you don't know how to install WordPress theme, click on the link given in the description or top right corner. The first step is to open your website's cPanel. Enter your website's URL and type cPanel after /. Enter your username and then password. Click login button. Now you have entered cPanel's dashboard. Scroll down. Click File Manager, which is located in File category. Since we are uploading a theme, we have to navigate the folder through which we will upload them. Click Public HTML. Click Website Content. Now Themes. The header contains Upload option. Click it. Just drag and drop your theme. Press the left button of your mouse on file. Just drag and drop your theme. Once the download is finished, go back to home. Select the file has been transferred to theme folder. Extract your zip file by clicking the right button of your mouse. Extract files. The extraction results are now shown on your screen. Close it. Reload your page. Now the zip file is converted to form a folder. Open your WordPress website dashboard. Enter your username and password. Scroll down. Bring your mouse on Appearance. Click the theme option. The downloaded theme will appear on your screen. If your theme is corrupted or has any error, it will not appear here. To activate your theme, click Activate. Reload your website and you will see the theme is applied. The theme is not aligned because you have not installed plugins. Now we will install required plugins in one click. Go back to WordPress menu. Kayleen is our WordPress theme. Click it. Multiple features of Kayleen theme are shown. Install plugins. Tick plugin box. Install all of them. Now they all are downloading one by one. Return to dashboard once downloaded. Then we will import our demo content of theme. Import data. These plugins are highly recommended as per your own interest, but we are not install them. Continue and import. Until demo content is imported, do not refresh the page or hit the back button. Once it is imported, again go to the Appearance. Click Customize. You are now in the Customize section. Select Homepage setting. You are given two options: latest post, a static page. If you select latest post option, all of new posts will be listed down. If you select a static page option, you can turn any page into your home page. Out of the pages options given, select your favorite page and turn it into your home page. I have selected Home 1. Publish it. As you can see, the selected template has been applied on our home page. If you want to make changes in your home page, click Edit with Elementor. Select the section which you want to edit. Elementor will show you the controls. Adjust your section as you want. Hit update button. As you can see, changes applied. In this video, we learned how to upload a theme from PC to WordPress. Subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about WordPress, search engine optimization, and much more.